Well, I've got that patch welded in where the body tub, man, it doesn't want to focus today for some reason. Anyways, I've got that patch welded in where the rear body tub mount was, and now I'm alleviating this fuel tank outrigger of its position so I can repair the rust on the bulkhead, or on the frame behind it. And well, I zip disced this side because I could get to it. I probably could have just ripped it off with a chisel, judging by how easily this side's giving up. Just you know, give it that little bit of back and forth action and break away the weld. Yeah, that was not well secured on there. Looks like that was more brazed on repairs. What's left of the old fuel tank support here, what's interesting is the original was a lot shorter. So you can see from where what's left is still welded on. I'm going to keep this on as reference point, just like when they repaired it. Obviously they did that, used that reference edge, just stuck it on. But I'm going to repair all this nasty flexiness. Go clean it up and bring you back. Here, let's rip this thing off, shall we? Just brazed on. That's way too thin to be of any service, and I mean, you could see some parts are not oxidized, so that's just like a little bit of tin. No way that was ever going to be a structural repair. That was just covering up the hole. And then there was another piece I pulled off earlier. This little chunk here, that was covering up that hole. Yeah, joy of joys. Looks like there's a rat's nest, or a mouse nest in there. Gonna pull that all out and clean her up and see where I can weld to. You know, I just wanted to say, it's amazing how much of the original paint is left in there. I mean, that's all the way down the chassis as far as I can see.